The Ford Performance Engineering Team develops most of the quicker Ford ST and RS vehicles in Europe, but the Mach-E GT, like other Ford Mustang Mach-Es, was primarily engineered and built in the United States. It's constructed at Ford's Cuautitlán assembly factory in Mexico, and it's based on Ford's global Electrified 1 platform, which is actually a modified version of Ford's C2 platform, which underlies the Ford Focus and Ford Kuga. One of the most appealing features of the Mustang Mach-cockpit E is its spaciousness, particularly for those in the second row, where the car provides ample head and leg room for taller adults, even with the optional panoramic roof installed. The inside has a good ambience, with some attractive textiles on the upper dashboard and door panels. However, the cabin might need some added performance flair, such as colorful accents or GT details. Ford has grafted a huge volume knob straight onto the bottom of the Mach 15.5-in E's portrait-oriented infotainment system, avoiding one of our critiques about cars too reliant on touchscreen consoles. You can't miss it. But you don't use it very much, because the stereo, which sounds fairly well, has volume controls on the steering wheel. Still, your passenger, like us, may be grateful to have it. On the day of our test, the Mach-E GT's American development roots were revealed in one mildly disappointing way. In its marketing materials, Ford claims a 3.7-second 0 to 60 miles per hour standing start time for this car, but only in fine print does it specify that the claim is based on the North American industry standard 1-foot rollout measurement, which dates back to drag strip timing, when the clock would only start running on a car once it had moved by a foot or so. It took 4.2 seconds, two-way averaging, to reach 60 mph from rest, and just 3.5 seconds to reach 30 to 70 miles per hour. In terms of outright speed, this is undoubtedly a fast car, and it certainly feels like one when you bury the pedal at highway speeds and feel all of that torque surge in. And our roll-on, kick-down, acceleration increments show it. The GT took nearly twice as long to accelerate, from 70 to 90 miles per hour, once its motor power was capped, as it did to accelerate from 50 to 70 miles per hour. Just an instant before, a significantly larger difference than growing aerodynamic drag could explain.